everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very fun video for you guys. I have decided to do a natural / simple back to school, whatever the thumbnail says, that's the video that I'm doing today. I'm going to be showing you something very natural that you could wear to school. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, don't forget to click the notification bell to receive alerts when I upload so you know. So without further ado, if you want to see how I got this natural makeup look, keep on watching. Okay, the first step to this natural makeup look is I'm going to be priming my face, and I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Stick. I think that's what it's called, probably. And I'm just going to be putting that on my face as a base. Because this is a very natural look, I'm not going to be putting on foundation. I'm just going to be using concealer, and then I'm going to be doing some contouring. So for today, for concealer, I am going to be using the L'Oreal True Match Concealer, and it's very good. It's really good coverage, and most of the products I'm using in today's video are drugstore brands, and they work just as well as the high-end brands, so yeah. Now I'm done with concealer, I'm going to be contouring some of my face. So I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Insta Duo Contour Stick. Now that I'm done with my contour and concealer, I am going to be putting some powder under my eyes to just set the concealer and make it stay longer. And I'm going to be using my trusty Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, because I use nothing else but this, because it's very good powder. Today for bronzer, I'm going to be using something from a new palette that I got for Christmas. It is the Complexionista palette by Benefit, and it comes with highlighters, concealers and bronzers. And today I'm going to be using Hoola Light and the regular Hoola from it. I am going to be using the same Complexionista palette from Benefit, and I'm going to be taking Dandelion Twinkle because it's a very natural shine and it's not too bold and intense. Today for mascara, I'm going to be using my Rimmel London Wake Me Up mascara. So obviously when you're at school, or if you're going somewhere where you don't want people to know you're wearing makeup, or you want them to think that you're not wearing that much makeup, you don't want your lips to stand out that much, because you know, like, you could have like a really bold, intense lip, like a few of my videos in the past, the autumn one and the Christmas one. So today I'm going to be going with something very natural. I love this so much. It is Benetint. I'm sure a lot of you already own one of these little things. They're absolutely great. If you don't know what it is, it's basically a lip stainer, and it smells of roses. It smells amazing. It's by Benefit. It's called Benetint. Now, to keep this look all day, today I'm going to be using the Rimmel London #Insta Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. This is it. I'm just going to be setting my face with it. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Just click the subscribe button down there and turn on my post notifications. Just click the little bell up there to receive notifications when I upload, so you will not miss any of my fun videos. Thanks for watching. Bye! Also, I just wanted to let you guys know all the products that I used in today's video are linked down below in the description. So if you want to purchase any of them, just click the link and it will take you straight to the website where I purchased the product myself. So yeah, just wanted to let you know. Bye!